you guys see my balloon air pressure experiment? Well, if you haven't, you better watch it now. Because let's just say you don't have a balloon lying randomly in your house and you really want to do this experiment. Well, I have something else you can use. Guess what it is? Yup, it is a fully boiled egg. Here are the things you'll be needing for this experiment. You'll be needing a lighter with adult supervision, my mom's right there, paper of any sort, tissue paper, of course a boiled egg, a narrow necked jar, so make sure that when you put the egg in, the egg doesn't fit completely into the jar. And of course, safety goggles. Okay, so first, here's what we're gonna do. Take this, keep it in front of you, and then take this, and then put it inside the jar, fold it up, put it in. Now, let's wear our safety goggles, because we're gonna be lighting up the fire now. Okay, so let's keep the egg ready beside us. So let's put it in like this. Okay, yep. Okay, good. Now, let's light this fire. If you're too young to light this on fire, well, you can just place it there. And please go in. Yes, go in. Mr. Science, I believe in you. Go, Mr. Science! Go, Mr. Science! Mr. Science did it! He actually pulled the egg into the jar. Oh my gosh. For me, that is just super surprising that actually worked. Okay, that was so exciting. The egg actually got pulled all the way into the jar. So I thought it wouldn't get pulled all the way into the jar. I thought it would stop right about there, the tip of the egg. But thanks to Mr. Science and Mr. Air Pressure, they made this work. Yup, it pulled the egg into the jar. Now, who wants to know the science behind this? Ooh, I do. Smoke alert, smoke alert. Do you guys have any idea how the egg went inside of a narrow-necked jar? So now see how narrow-necked that is. An egg would not easily get fit in there if it wasn't for air pressure. Yup. So, we took the lighter, put the piece of paper on fire. Fire creates heat. So, that means air pressure went higher too. So, that caused the air to come out. It went outside between the cracks. So like, let's say the egg was right there, there's tiny little spaces. So it probably just came outside. And then it needed to replace the air. So it wanted to suck more air in. Because there's always air inside the bottle. So it needed to suck some more air in. But guess what is in its path? The egg. So guess what it did? So first it sucked in the egg, then it took all the air and put it inside the jar again. So how amazing was that? The impossible became possible! Yup. Now, as you can see, the egg will not come outside of the jar. It's stuck. Won't come outside. If you guys want to see more fun videos like this, where I show you cool science experiments, well then don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned, leave a like, and then stay safe my friends, goodbye.